Stud wall in here now. Stud wall. Stud wall. Stud wall. This is a little using the stud wall. Yeah. Okay. Stud framing. Well, the blocking is in. Blocking is in, and they are painting it. Blocking is in. See, lady painting there now, right there. Yes, she's doing her thing, you know. Fine, doing it thing. And this is my half cousin. He's doing the thing, same thing. Alright, they already got here doing it. So we're gonna, all these things we're gonna, finishing coming up. Stud works is finished. Sheet rock, halfway is in. Alright. See? Yeah. Everything coming up to come. Yes. Yes. See? There. Still doing her thing. See? She's a professional lady. See? She's doing her thing, man. I love that. I love that. See? Professional doing. You see the hand that she used? Yeah, man, it's a good look. She had her mask because of the painting. See? Yeah. Yes, sir. Okay. As time goes on, you'll see the progress of this work, what we are doing. Okay. See? All right. Yes. See the cutter man coming here. He's the guy that cuts. Whenever they give measurement, he give you the cuts. Any angle. He's good at any angle. All right. All right, man. Professional man. See? Ready again to cut. All right. She's a big man doing again.
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
Yes, man. All right.
Saltfish.
Shorty. What am shorty? Thumbs up, man. Thumbs up.
Yeah, man.
All right. All right. Keep there. All right. Yeah. Painter. Yeah, metal studs are in. All the metal studs are in. Yeah. and everything, your body doing your thing. Put it in the AC. Yeah, yeah. All the instructions. Alright, it's a good look. See? That's the lady. Left hand lady that. Yes. There you go, man. All the shit are going in now. Going in, going in, going in, going in. A good look. Metal stud. See? Going in. Going in. Final touch is coming in. Touch is coming in. Touch is coming in. Alright. Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. Alright. Making movies, man. Okay. Let me try to put in the final touches. Yeah. It's a good look. Right. Female, eh? Thumbs up.
Yeah, outside.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Shot them in. Shot them in. Shot them in. Yes. Can't put it. Neat and nice. Going in. Alright, man. Neat and nice. Going in, going in, going in.